Oh boy, time for myself. I like to watch movies. This one is called Guarding Tess. I don't know who Tess is, but she's got a lot of cards. Did you hear something? I thought I heard a car door. Maybe not. Hey, somebody's at the door. Elmo likes that. I don't know why I'm laughing. Oh, it's not the police. I think I paid my power bill. Okay, let's go. Hey, polish the doorknob. Elmo don't like that. Hello, who is it?
Oh, hey there, Elmo.
Hey, Big Bird, what you doing? Hey, it's dark outside. Elmo don't like that. Let's shut the door. Hey, I got polish on my nails.
Okay, listen, Elmo. My house is getting renovated, so I was wondering if I could stay with you for a while.
Sure you can, dude. This is... Just kidding. Come on, let's go over here.
Okay.
You walk funny.
Yeah, boo.
Hey, are you touching the ground? Oh my.
So is your dad okay with this?
Yeah, he's over there in his chicken suit. Yeah, my dad's over there. He's a big chicken. I told you. Don't bother him. I told you not to bother him. Elmo don't like that. No, sad, boys and girls, sad. I was happy till Big Bird got here. What are you doing, Big Bird?
I was just,
You're funny. Are you stupid?
No.
Okay, you. Elmo, no. Cut it! I didn't mean to say that. I'm sorry, boys and girls. Don't listen to Elmo. He's a bad boy. Bad. I'm sorry, boys and girls. Elmo never say stupid much. Stupid, Elmo. Stupid, Elmo. Who you
So, Elmo, why is there clothes all over the place?
Well, Elmo is not very organized. Although on Sesame Street, everything's got its place. But not around here. And don't look at my underwear. You're looking at my underwear. Just don't imagine there's no brown streaks. There's no brown streaks. Because Elmo's a clean boy. Cat, please cut. Oh, gosh. Mama.
You want to watch a movie, Elmo?
Well, Elmo was watching a movie. It's Guarding Tess, yes.
Guarding Tess? That's PG-13.
Well, pigs can fly, can't they?
Well, never mind. So, Elmo, why are your arms so stuck out?
I don't know why my arms are stuck like this. That's just because I want to hug you. And wait a minute. No, it's just gas. Oh, sorry. Sorry, boys and girls. Elmo, little stinky. We're allergic to stinky. Big stinky. Oh, we'll have to clean that up. Elmo no got no cleaning supplies. We're in trouble, boys and girls. Go to the grocery store. Go right down Melon to 1473 Elmo Street. Hurry!
No, don't tell. You can't tell kids what to do.
I didn't tell him. I just asked him to do. I like SOS pants.
Okay.
Big Bird, you're good.
By the way, while you're out, get some birdseed.
I thought you were housebroken.
I guess not.
That doesn't mean break my house, Big Bird. Oh, boy.
2 hours later. Wow, that was a good movie, Elmo.
It's okay, I guess. I didn't like the ending.
Yeah. Well, Elmo, can you show me where the bathroom is?
Sure, it's right in here. Come on with me, Big Bird.
Okay.
It's in here. Come on in here, Big Bird. In here. Come on in here. It's right here. It's right in here. Look in there. Look.
That doesn't look like a restaurant.
You gotta trust me like the boys and girls always do. Gotta trust Elmo. Come on, Big Bird. Yes! 53 years I've been in it. Sesame Street and wanted fried chicken, and now it's my time. Oh boy, Daddy fired the grill.
Let's do the chicken dance with Elmo. Elmo wants to be a chicken. Elmo wants to be a duck. Clap your arms, clap your chicken, clap your arms, clap your chicken.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time to put the frozen chicken into the oven. Got the focus for the thing. Do the thing, but it don't bake. Oh, wait, that's not bake. Yes, bake. Okay.